So dito pa rin tayo sa Grace Residences to check this another foreclosed condo unit. 11th floor, Tower C. So you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel for other listings. So ito siya. So this is the unit, around 24 square meters. May gamit siyang kasama, may improvement na. Bathroom niya. Naku, may sira dito. Ano to? Sino mag-aayos nito? Admin? Admin na mag-aayos nito?
Yung alin po?
Itong sira dito.
Tanggal. Din sir, wala po akong import.
Tanggal na yung kisame.
I-endorse nyo lang po sa kanila mamaya.
Labas yung ano mga tubo. This is around 2.8 million regular price, and discounted price is around 2.5 million, and as is where is upon turnover. So ang maganda dito sa unit na to is medyo mababa lang siya, and yung view niya is yan, amenity area. This is available in cash or at least 10 to 20% down payment, and then 80 to 90% balance in-house and bank financing plus taxes and fees. Lahat ng movables inside the unit, hindi po kasama sa sale yan. Tatanggalin po yan ng bangko, okay, and lilinisin bago ma-turn over. So again, if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly.